Welcome to our hands-on activity for today, you guys. It is Monday, so we're going to work on our numbers book. Last week we did number 2, so this week we're going to do number 3. Yours should already be cut out like this because last week we had to cut down the line to get our number 2. So you need, for this activity, you need your scissors, glue, your number 3, and then your balloons. So we can find the number 3. I want you to start, and you need one more thing. You need a marker or a crayon or a pen or a pencil. Miss Doty's gonna put her screen down so that you can see. We're gonna start tracing the number 3. So we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna do a little loop around. And we're going to do another little loop around, and we made the number 3. Start at the top, loop around, middle, loop around. Very good. Start at the top, loop around, loop around. 3 threes. Start at the top, loop around, loop around. Very good. So let's move to the right and let's color 3. What are these? Apples. That's right. Let's color 3 apples. 3 apples. You ready? 1. Let's try to stay inside the lines. That's silly to color a blue apple. Are apples blue? No. So we colored 1 apple. 2 apples. How many are we supposed to color? 1, 2, 3. We're supposed to color 3 apples. So keep coloring. Color, color, color. If you want to get out a red crayon, you can get out a red crayon or a green crayon because apples can be red or green. All right, so Miss Doty colored 1, 2, 3 apples. We did not color the last one because that would have made 4 apples. So let's try to write it ourselves now. We're going to start at the top. We're going to do a little loop around. Another little loop around. We made the number 3. Very good. Keep going, little loop around, little loop around. First we start and we do between these 2 lines, and then we do between the bottom 2 lines. So start at the top, little loop around, another little loop around. Very good. One more, little loop around, little loop around. Very good. You can put the top on your marker or you can put your crayon down. We're all done with that. I want you to pick up your glue stick and I want you to open it so we can get ready. If it looks like this and it's not all the way rolled up, I want you to take your fingers in the bottom and turn. Now we can use the glue. I want you to turn. Not too much though. I also want you to get your balloons. Can you point to the number 3 balloon? Is this it? No. Is this the number 3? No, that's the number 8. What about this? No. Let's see if we can find one that's the same. We made little loop around and little loop around. This is a number 3, but it looks kind of different. They wrote it differently. They didn't do a loop at the top. They did a line. They did a line. It's the same number. So we want to take our scissors and we want to cut out the number 3. So I'm going to put my thumb on the top, fingers on the bottom, and I'm going to cut, cut, cut on the line. And I'm going to cut, cut, and then I'm going to come back down to the bottom, cut, 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 and I want to cut off this other little piece right here. So I want to cut and cut, and our glue stick's already ready for us. It says paste. Paste is another word for glue. So you can put your glue on your balloon or you can put it on the paper. I'm going to put it on the paper. I'm going to make a rectangle with my glue since that's the shape of this balloon. And then I'm going to stick. And we're all done. We traced, colored, wrote, and pasted the number 3. So you want to take your book that you're working on and you want to put this one behind it. So we did 3 pages so far. If you finish your page today, have your mommy or daddy or grandma or grandpa or aunt or uncle send Miss Jody a picture of your book. I want to see your number 3. Have a good day.